Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to edit and modify different segments of your Keymate memory. First, I'm going to load up a prompt I saved, the butler Alfred protocol from my Keymate memory, and tell it to follow it exactly. And so I showed you how to add prompts as saved segments in your Keymate memory. So here it is now acting like my personal butler, and let's focus on seeing how to add new likes and interests. So first, let's see what are my likes and hobbies saved the information in my Keymate memory. So it should pull up some information. Yeah, nice. Okay, board games, Nintendo Switch, traveling and thrifting, all kinds of good stuff, music, movies. Now let's add in some TV shows. So I forgot to add in my TV shows that I like. And so I'm going to just give it some information on my interest in my TV shows, including genre, as well as a few example shows. So please add to my likes. I'm going to tell it to use the same tag system. In a previous video, I talked about kind of how I set up the tag system with the persona to see if it will utilize a similar tag system when telling it that I like drama, mystery, sci-fi, ensemble comedy, Brooklyn Nine-Nine, Parks and Rec, Abbott Elementary, True Detective, Fargo, Alone, confirming to have it sent to my Keymate memory. Okay, it says it's added it in that way. Now let's go check the Keymate memory to see how it added it to my memory. So you can go to our website and as a shortcut, just click the Ultimate Web App. Now, this is a pro account, but you don't need to have access to the Ultimate Web App to access your Keymate memory. You just click Explore Keymate Memory in the top right area when you're logged in, and any account, bronze all the way up to an Ultimate account, can access it. So I'm going to search TV shows, and then select knowledge-based search, and down below it'll show the segment that's been saved in. You could see it's a little bit different than the other segments that I've saved in my knowledge base. Here's one about likes and interests, and the formatting is slightly different. You can see the different formatting. I kind of like the formatting that it used, but I'm going to modify it slightly to make it just more similar to the other segments. So you click the little button on the right there and it allows you to edit, and then I'm just going to really quickly just add in the different text to make it slightly similar to the other ones. It doesn't have to be exactly the same, but that will just help with reduce confusion overall if it's following a similar format. And then I hit save, and that should save the item in my Keymate memory. Now, what if I wanted to add something, modify something to this through the chat? So let's go back and try to do that. So I'm going to write, please modify my knowledge base, Keymate memory, and include that I also like true crime as a genre. So it's going to confirm to add to the Keymate memory, and let's see what it says. Now the reason I'm showing you this is because when you are chatting, you actually can't modify a segment of the Keymate memory. So let's see what happens when I tell it to do that. I'm going to refresh the page, and I'm going to search again for TV shows. Writing TV shows here, and then clicking knowledge-based search. And what it shows is here are two almost identical different instances. So it can add new information, but it cannot modify. So I'm just going to click and modify here and add true crime to the original saved piece of knowledge. And then I'm going to delete this one with a little X there. That will delete the single record. It's the way that you can delete records on your Keymate memory. You can't delete from the chat. Do not try to delete from the chat. What delete will do is it will delete your entire knowledge base. So let's check again to make sure that it just has that one segment. And yep, now it has that with the updated true crime interest. And that is how you modify and update records in your Keymate memory.